how to share Temu full wish list with someone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can share Temu full wish list with someone. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to share a Temu full wish list with someone, first thing is you need to open up the Temu into your device. And once you have opened up Temu, you can head over to the item that you want to add on your Temu wish list. So for example, this earbuds. So you can go over to the item just like this and scroll down, and when you head over to this product details section, you should be finding a save option with a heart. Go ahead and tap on this option and it will be saved into your wish list. After it is saved, in order to view the wish list, you can head over to the U tab in the bottom of your screen and you will be reaching here. From the section in the middle of your screen, you should be finding a wish list option here. Just go ahead and tap on it. And here you should be finding all of your wish list. So if you want to share it, you can go ahead and tap on the item and you can go ahead and look out for the share option at the top. You can just go ahead and tap on it and it gives you option to copy the link as well as use it directly and send it to the applications available. For example, Message, Facebook, Post, Messenger, etc. You can just go ahead and select those media accounts where you can share the link your wish list to. So for now, this is a method you can apply up if you want to share your full wish list with someone on Temu. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.